So happy Halloween to everyone. I'm sure the kids at home have already gone out. My boys were super excited. By 5, they were off to their destination. Now I can see their face only after 7:38. Neetu, do let me know by like what if I should be going ahead. We can start? Okay. So, yeah, we'll share definitely. So we'll talk about bullying and why bullying and why I chose this topic, or why me and Neetu we both chose this topic uh, this time, because uh, October 5th is observed as bullying prevention, internationally observed as the bullying prevention day. And the entire October month is actually, observed as anti-bullying or bullying prevention month in the states, in the United States. So that somewhere already eh, implies that how critical this issue is, or and obviously there is no region, no caste, grade, age group bar related to bullying. Bullying can happen to anyone and does happen to anyone and everyone, and at different age groups. So if you think that it is only our kids who are targeted to bullying, think about it. Many of us in our workplace have been bullied by our colleagues, and those kitty parties where our dressing se leke the food we are serving and so many things are being criticized, that's also bullying, right? So I'll start with some personal stories and why this topic is so close to my heart. Has bullying changed its versions? You think it little of this is okay? So bullying, actually, we have changed. Bullying did. Bullying is there, has always been there, and we just changed the way we bully. Yes. Hi Kunal, good evening. Your question is certain amount of bullying all right, as life keeps getting tough, as we keep growing older. The kids in general have become too sensitive nowadays, which wasn't the case in our time. Okay, so yes, we know. But to be very honest, are kids sensitive or we as parents are sensitive? That we need to think about. So we'll move on to that. I would like to start off with a personal story, and we'll gradually, take the questions. So it's about my son, my elder one. He was around 8 or 9, and it was his summer break. And the boy who left bedwetting at the age of 4, or before that, started suddenly bedwetting. And once or twice I was surprised, maybe I had थोड़ा सा डांट भी दिया था. And then it struck me, why would he do that? It's not normal. And then I decided to see his pediatrician. And while I went to see his pediatrician, I also wanted to understand. So I started conversation with him around if he is getting, nightmares or anything on those lines. He couldn't come up with something concrete. And when I spoke to the pediatrician, she told me that It could be something related to bullying. He might be being bullied at school or anywhere else. You need to figure out that. And it was almost towards the end of his vacation. So that day his school was opening, he suddenly asked me that, Mama, I don't want to go to school, and if at all, please can you give me 500 rupees? And I was shocked. Why would I need to give you 500 rupees and then only you can go to school? What's the correlation? Then he came up with this story that his buddy was actually bullying. So he broke one of her magnet, and from then onwards she was bullying him like anything. He actually gave her, already he had given her 100 rupees, and then she was bullying him for more money and stuff. And so this was the first time, and I didn't know really, while I was personally bullied severely throughout my life, but when it comes to your child, you would be more careful, right? So what I did, I preferred not to complain about the child, and I preferred not to ask the child to be shifted or my child to be shifted, because what I felt that this is the first instance, but it will happen more often, and by many others. So where I need to work on a twofold, basically. One, on my child, where he can be strong enough to handle such bullying, and two, at the school's part, where I can involve the school in a way that this is being addressed in the right manner. So I created a cartoon strip on the entire story, and exactly the way it happened, and I shared it with his class teacher, requested her to do a story session with the kids with the cartoon strip that I created. And she was very sweet to while she offered other options ki change kar de seat, yeah, whatever, whatever they could do within their capacity. They even wanted to engage the set of parents. I said, let's see if the child understands, and if we are able to address the issue better. Otherwise we can always engage the parents later on. It worked like magic. It took some time though, one or two sessions, and the kids understood. And more than that, my boy understood how to deal with, because I actually taught him to face the bully instead of shying away from the bully. And neither did I really fight his battle. So he fought his battle on his own. He faced her. He told her one day upfront that, okay, you want to complain, ma'am? Please go ahead, or rather, I'll help you. Let me, tell her what happened. And that day, and she was done with whatever she had to wrap, basically. So, bullying, while we know that it happens with kids, and we as parents would want to protect them with all our power and capacity, that doesn't really help always. Because bullying we face all through our life. Yes, Bhalla needs very rightly said that we would see many instances where a newlywed girl is bullied in a different way when she is married. अच्छा, आपको रोटी भी नहीं बनानी आती? कैसे पराठे बनाए? दाल अच्छे से छोंक तो लेते, एंड वट एवर, यू नो, ड्रेसिंग सेंस अच्छा नहीं है, कैसे है? वॉट इज़ बुलिंग? बुलिंग इज़ वेर बुलिंग इज़ ऑल अबाउट पार्ट प्ले. बुलिंग इज़ ऑल अबाउट intimidating the person, and it can happen in so many varied ways, and at all level, at different places. एक बच्चे के स्कूल से लेके बस स्टॉप, बस, पार्क, फॉर एडल्ट्स वर्क प्लेस से लेके द किटी पार्टीज और इवन पार्टीज, और आपके लाइक यू मैंशनड, यस, अपने फैमिली में इन लॉज के थ्रू bullying can happen at any and every age. So in my society, I take care of. I'm part of the senior support team, so I take care of the seniors in here. And one auntie once shared this that बेटा अभी मैं 86 प्लस हूँ. uh, तो ऐसे होता है कि द गार्ड्स और समटाइम्स सम स्टफ फॉर सम पीपल दे वुड थिंक कि ये ओल्ड लेडी क्या कर लेगी, या क्या है. दे इग्नोर और दे बिहेव इन अ मैनर विच इज़ नॉट रिस्पेक्टफुल, एंड कभी कभी दे इग्नोर मी वॉट एवर आई से. सो what is that? If you are ignoring a person, if you are intimidating in some way or other, that's also bullying. सो बुलिंग किसी भी एज पे किसी के भी साथ हो सकता है, एंड it's not limited to verbal bullying. For kids, it's often physical, and that's where we need to caution our kids, because physical bullying can be, really can harm a child. You would be knowing ragging का impact कितना severe होता है. Even emotional or the verbal bullying which impacts on the emotional level, or the social bullying. So what are the types of bullying? I'm sure you all know, we all read on this extensively. I would still want to just give you a brush up on that. Bullying can be verbal, bullying can be physical, bullying can be social, bullying can be a very in these days a very important and very crucial one is cyberbullying. Where, so what is bullying? Bullying is where it's all about real or perceived power imbalance. It could be real, it could even be just a perceived, where someone thinks that I can impact the other person in a way to just exert power, or I'm more powerful. So the bullies typically, they are themselves very insecure, and that's why they would want to show their importance or their strength by bullying others. And a bully can be anyone, even someone who's himself or herself been bullied. uh, like I mentioned, my son's story, I would give gradually some of my stories, but let me just take the questions that have already popped. So, Neetu, yes, from what age do we need to prepare for bullying? Yeah, bullying actually, it can start as early as 2-3 years. Having run a preschool and daycare for 6+ years, I have seen kids bullying from the age of 2 years. Yes, they do. I have I remember while I would say in a way it might sound very cute, but when a child says ye mela hai, and they will snatch the toy or anything from the other child, and you would find some set of kids doing that to a particular set of kids who are like little shy, timid, and would hesitate fighting back. So from this age we can actually see bullying happening. And like I just mentioned about the auntie's story who was 86 plus, so you can see that at that age also uh, one can be bullied. I even know someone very closely who's been bullied and harassed severely at different places, including let's say police station or caught. So yes, bullying actually happens everywhere and to any and everyone. There is no age bar and no restrictions around that. We actually do not spare anyone for their age, for that matter, when it comes to bullying, if we are a bully. Let me take some other questions. A certain amount of bullying or Kunal. So Kunal, you know, I would say it's a lot like drinking. We say एक दो पेग से कुछ नहीं होता है, you know, and then you would see वही दो पेग भर के तीन चार पाँच and one gets addicted, alcoholic, or any addiction for that matter, जैसे होता है ना. So in case of bullying also, how would you determine how much is too much, right? So being sensitive always works. Bullying is what? Being insensitive towards others' feeling. आप किसी के feeling के बारे में sensitive नहीं है तभी तो आप intimidate कर पा रहे हैं. So that's why I would say that no amount of bullying is actually right. Bullying at any point to whatever level is not to be supported, and we should rather take a step against that and help the person who is being bullied. So yes, Neetu, what are the warning signs of bullying? Hi Pragati. So Neetu, warning signs of bullying could be two ways. One for the bully and the other for the bullied. One who is being bullied would actually gradually get into a shell. उनके personality में you will see lot of changes if they are not able to face bullying. If they are able to face it and give it a head on, and they would be you would not see any changes in their behavior. While if some child or some adult for that matter is being bullied and is not able to handle it, you would see a withdrawal syndromes in among them. They would not want to be around the bullies, or they would not want to face that scenario. अगर स्कूल में bullying हो रही है, then the child would avoid going to school. If workplace is where one is an adult is being bullied, then the person would want to avoid going to work or avoid working with a particular boss or a particular colleague. And dejection, depression, it can gradually lead to depression and even severe, that bullying leads to suicidal tendencies as well. Yes, those who get bullied severely, they can very well get suicidal. So warning signs is where you find a person being withdrawal. So withdrawal is definitely a warning sign, and we need to talk, communicate, and understand. Okay. So Nids, you are right. So yes, like I mentioned, a newly-wed girl who's totally clueless, who's trying her level best to adjust in that atmosphere, is almost like a new child in the campus, whom everyone would find apt prey for bullying. So she would be bullied for whatever possible. So right from her cooking skills to her education to her dressing sense and her social skills, whatever, it could be anything and everything which doesn't suit her in-laws, and she can be they can take offense and they can start bullying her. At the same time, sometimes even the girls, they would bully their in-laws as well. So bullying doesn't limit to any particular person or a particular relation, because it's a power play. It's all about imbalance of power. So if someone in a relationship, a bahu is more powerful for whatever way and whatever reason, she can very well bully. So it does happen that way as well. So being bullied by his cousins, we are in a joint family, and even after I have raised many times, nothing has changed. Moreover, in-laws says they all are kids and make fun of it. Okay, Neetu, yeah, actually, bullying in the family is almost like abuse in the family, physical or sexual abuse, the way it happens where things are being hushed up. And bullying तो सोचो अगर abuse उस तरीके से hushed up होते हैं, so bullying को तो बहुत लोग मानते हैं कि अरे बच्चे खेल रहे हैं, वो छेड़ रहा है, भाई है आफ्टर ऑल, बहन आफ्टर ऑल. बट वो छेड़ना could be to that extent where the child or the person is, feeling intimidated, scared, that we often undermine. We are not able to keep that person who is being bullied or intimidated, unka perspective. अरे इट्स हेल्दी फन, वी ऑफन से क्या है, थोड़ा छेड़ ही तो रहा है, इतना क्या सेंसिटिव होना. इनफैक्ट आई रिमेंबर पीपल सेइंग कि क्या मतलब इतना छुई मुई क्यों हो आप, या फिर क्या चूड़ियाँ पहन के बैठ रहा, इफ guy does that. So these are all intimidating bullying phrases. Basically we don't understand when bullying is being the concern is being raised, we are actually trying to protect the bully. In a way we are being party to it. In such cases, I think as a parent one should take a very strong step, because when your family members are taking side of that bully, your child would feel all the more intimidated and would feel alone. So that way it is very important that the child is being getting support of family, at least the parents. So it is very important, and do whatever in your capacity is to convince the other family members that it is not right. You cannot bully a child by with an excuse of child's play. खेलना अलग होता है, बुली करना अलग होता है. So yes, it is very important to take stand, and very strong one if needed, because you don't know how much impactful that would be for the child. So did I miss any questions? So Poonam's question I would want to readdress. Has bullying changed its versions? You think it little of it's little of it is okay. So like I told Kunal also, I don't think any amount of bullying is okay, because we don't know how much is too much for a certain person. जो आप और मैं हैंडल कर सकते हैं, अ थर्ड पर्सन मे नॉट बी एबल टू. सबकी सेंसिटिविटी अलग होती है, सबका सबका जो थ्रेशोल्ड ऑफ फाइटिंग बुलिंग और द थ्रेशोल्ड अलग होता है हर इंसान का. सो इट इज़ I believe no amount of bullying is actually right, but I also believe that in order to face the world, because bullying is there everywhere. So in order to face the world, we should rather prepare our kids or ourselves for bullying, instead of uh, trying to fight their battle, or you know uh, uh, talk to the people and try to solve their problems from our end. So it is, I know, I wouldn't say bullying is not there, or we can remove it from the world. Let us go, let us go out for a movement where we can actually remove bullying from the world. No, that is not possible. I think from the beginning of the civilization, when human beings started interacting with each other, bullying was there, is still there, and will remain there as is, in different forms. Yes, it has changed. आज के डेट पे we see a lot of cyber bullying. I'm sure you all are aware of the different forms, like the bullying that happens on Snapchat, and even that locker room incident. What was that? uh, that was bullying, right? And on cyber front, a lot of bullying is happening these days. More the way name calling happens, the way one shames another person in the cyber field, cyber world. That's something which has come up new. It's a new age trend. So yes, bullying is changing its version in a way, or rather we are changing and using it in different places. But I believe we should never tolerate bullying. There should be a zero tolerance to bullying. Rather, there should be a tolerant behavior towards other sensitivity, and other, there should be a inclusive environment for all. Yes, trolling, right, Neetu? Trolling is definitely bullying. Acha, Neetu has posted, COVID times are tough for all of us. Most of relations are abusive. Yes, so definitely COVID has actually increased, the stress level of many, and which is impacting the mental balance of kids and uh, everyone, actually, adults as well. If child or even adult is not able to handle it, then what power relations are on you? So basically, bullying is all about imbalance in power play, and if we are not able to handle it, we always should resort to support and help. Just to give you an example, few examples, for a child, it is good to stand tall as long as they can. But if they feel that they are not able to, they should resort to buddies. They should make buddies. They should be buddies to others, and well, they should be also not too dependent on buddies. Sometimes even buddies bully. And it is important to share with your parents or any adult in the frame, because that helps many sometimes, not always, I know, but that helps sometimes. For bullying, we should be open to our kids and the scenario. We should understand what is wrong, and we should be supportive, yet we shouldn't fight their battle. बट वॉट अबाउट एडल्ट्स? क्योंकि हम तो पूरी, आई मीन, ज़िंदगी बुलीड होते रहेंगे. So for adults, it is important to understand the environment and the power play there. If it is in your office and your boss is bullying you, in the sense that your credit is being snatched, and काम आप कर रहे हो, वो क्रेडिट लेके जा रहे हैं, या फिर they are intimidating or insulting you in the presence of the entire office, or something on those lines, then you should stand up. Every office has protocols around that. So you have to understand, how's the HR and the office environment, and accordingly take steps, but don't give in. In the family environment, again, standing up for your rights is very important. And why do I say that? Because if you are able to show that strength in your personality, and yet be that social and very much a part of the family, then I think sooner or later they will understand, accept, and will mind when they mm, try to behave otherwise with you. So that's for the girls, for us, especially because see, all said and done, we are more bullied in our in-laws place, hi Neha, than the men. So that's a given. Though I would say that there are numerous incidents where the wife would be bullying the husband, or that power plays there. So it's all about that imbalance in the power. And honestly, when it comes to power, there's very rarely balance. It's all about imbalance. One who is in power and wants to exert it would try to bully. Uh, on Facebook, even kids in virtual class chat box post trolling badly. Yes, trolling is, sorry, what happened? So sorry about that. Yes, trolling and name calling, shaming, public shaming, all these are we don't realize how impactful these are for the kids, and we actually end up doing that often. Janitu, my mother-in-law always likes her tea hot, but when I ask her, she waits for something I don't know. Is this bullying or is it her habit? Another anonymous question. Okay, um, so these things are pretty common. Like I mentioned, that we girls are more often bullied than any other person when it comes to marriage. And yes, it does happen. Pardon my, because so I have different experiences on those lines. Uh, it's been a while. I'm a mother to ninth grader, so you can understand. It's been long that I'm married, so kind of grown out of it. But yes, there was a time when I felt miserable, low, and have kind of faced it. Sometimes had given in, and then realized that giving in is definitely not an option. You cannot make everyone happy, so you better take your stand, and that is what helps. For any person who is being bullied, it is very important to believe in themselves and not lose the self confidence at any cost. And it is very important that you hold on to your pride, your confidence, and take stand for yourself, no matter what. Take stand for yourself, and you would know that hi Renee, there won't be anyone to bully you, or whoever would want to mess with you would actually eventually realize that it's not worth. So self confidence, and only self confidence, helps in any and every age group. And that's why my suggestion to every parent would be, instead of fighting your child's battle when it comes to bullying, work on your child's personality, give them lot of self confidence, work on their confidence level, so that they are able to fight their battle. They are confident enough about themselves. So let me tell you, I'm short, my elder one is also very short, so the height being not on our side, that has always been, yes, Neetu, like you mentioned, body shaming, so I'm switching to that. The height has always played a cupid for the bullies, so they would take on that part, and काफ़ी बॉडी शेमिंग होती है हम दोनों की. बट आई हैव टॉट माई बॉय. Yeah, thanks, Neetu. So, I have taught Ayush that whenever someone is telling you that, name calling or body shaming you with your height, it always tell them that मैं जितना ये ग्राउंड के ऊपर हूँ उतना ही ग्राउंड के नीचे भी हूँ. दैट्स वाई यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड माई लेंथ एंड एनी विच वे इट्स द it's my brain which definitely where you will fall short of. So he knows now how to handle bullying that way. So yes, Neetu, only in yes, from preschool level kids do get body shamed and bullied. So I'll give you an out of context, a little out of context example. I very recently did a Ramlila in my society, a virtual one, and so I chose a very thin child, a boy, as Hanuman, and a decently built girl for Ram. So the interesting bit was they both were body shaming each other. So I liked the bit कर रहे हैं बॉडी शेमिंग लेकिन दोनों ही दोनों को कर रहे हैं. सो देयर द बुली इज बीइंग इक्वली फॉट बैक. सो दैट वे दे वर kind of equated. So when it comes to this, yes, you can always tell them that it is not right, and that's the reason I chose these kind of contrasting features for these characters consciously, so that they would understand ki there is no prototype for any character, and it was fun. So yes, body shaming definitely comes under bullying. Hi Amit, thank you. uh, when we are kind and soft spoken and want to keep our relations, we often get bullied. It is faced by people who have soft heart. Yes, actually, thanks, Neetu. I feel very conscious when I get compliments. So yes. Bullies target always someone whom they can get away with. So in that way, people with softer traits and personality, who are caring, who are loving, they would be often taken mistaken as a taken or mistaken. Yes, because you need not to be a weaker person if you're soft, right? So that's why I say they are either taken or mistaken as a easy prey. Thanks. Yeah, yes, definitely we'll discuss these topics. It's important to discuss, understand, and I would rather want more stories and to be shared, because I believe all of us have been or are being bullied at different point of time. So it is sometimes ऐसा भी होता है कि we don't even realize. So I know a friend who he was bullied and physically abused, sexually abused for when he was a child, when he was like 14, 15, and he throughout his life he never realized that he was actually. So yes, it is important that we discuss this more often and understand better, because often we get mistaken on this. Hi Rene, you are a sweetheart. So any more queries, questions, stories? While you guys come up with more stories. Let me share one from my life, my personal experience. It was my master's final year, and there was already a lot of problems at personal end with my grandfather, unwell, and he was, almost, he was in coma, kind of. So around that time, I had my master's finals, and one of my professor, she was kind of, while it would appear she bullied, but it was actually she was being manipulated by another, uh, friend, as in friend नहीं, classmate थी. She was manipulating that professor, and on my exam hall, she actually was not ready to allow me finish my paper, because some other girl was copying my paper, and she thought that since the girl is a friend of mine, it's a planned, it's a strategized thing. So she actually stopped me in the middle, and with some intervention, I could finish. But she did whatever damage she wanted to. Though she couldn't do finally much, I still got. All thanks to the rest of the professors, got good marks and grades, everything. But yes, when you are being bullied in such, at such a time of your life, and that platforms like your, exam halls, it does impact. It was very highly impactful, for me. But having faced bullying since the school times, kind of was, I got used to and could handle it. Yeah, Neetu. Yes, when it comes to verbal bullying, and especially when it is taunting, name calling, we often, like I mentioned, कि वो छेड़, अच्छा बच्चा है छेड़ रहा है, मैं तो मजाक कर रहा था, अरे यार मजाक कर रहा था. These things they do. We do try to camouflage our, bullying in the garb of, let's say, just mazak, healthy, fun, and we don't understand what is healthy and what is unhealthy. What is healthy for you might not be healthy for me. I might not be able to handle it. So yes, ऐसे काफ़ी बार होता है. Then I believe that it is important for us to let the person know that, well, I'm not able to digest your mazak. My understanding of mazak or fun or joke is very different from yours. Teenagers usually get violent in that area while bullying too, and when it comes to boys, they don't want to involve parents. How to handle this? Um, yes, for teenagers, it's an issue, and more so because they actually do not wish to involve their parents, because वो उनके शान के खिलाफ होता है, to be very honest. uh, uh, it has a flip side. uh, I mean, it has both positives and negatives. Positive क्या है वो पहले बताती हूँ. The child would learn to face bullying often. And negative ये है कि when it is physical bullying, or when there is hurting, or all these things are involved, then either party will end up, or may end up getting hurt majorly. So this is a very sensitive age and stage. That's why I can tell you, as a mother of a teenager, that dealing with teenagers in any which way is very difficult. So having open communication, not just around bullying, not just around any particular topic, rather generally on any topic, to have that, that bridge of communication always strong and healthy, is very important. And trust me, it's the most difficult thing to do. because however good bond you might have at this age, with the hormones being haywire, they are often actually not able to understand how to handle with scenario situations, and they wouldn't want to involve their parents because they feel that sometimes अगर वो अपनी friend से bully हो रहे हैं, तो at the end of the day they are my friend, so I don't want to involve my parents, I can handle my on my own. And sometimes उनकी ego बीच में आ जाती है, तो they wouldn't really want to. In such cases, it is important to keep a tab on your child and also have that communication open, so that when your child is not able to handle, you are able to recognize the signs, the warning signs on those lines, and things will not slip off from your hand. Hi Neha, your question is sometimes people say very hurtful things. I was just kidding. Yes, exactly. आप कुछ भी बोल दोगे किसी के बारे में एंड देन यू वुड से अरे मजाक कर रहे थे, आपको समझ में भी नहीं आया, नहीं आता है। हाँ, एंड वी बेटर टेल देम आउट देयर फेस दैट नहीं समझ में नहीं आया, आई एम नॉट एबल टू टेक दीज काइंड ऑफ jokes, so you better not crack such jokes on me. Thanks, Neetu. uh, Yes, schools do have their sessions. My boys are in DPS. They do have, a proper group a proper team that works on bullying. They have a anti-bullying squad. So all the schools do have their, the system is there in place, but again, it's about mindset. Like I was getting questions that थोड़ा बहुत तो चलता है ना, ये थोड़ा बहुत चलता है, ये mentality somewhere takes us to that level where we end up losing lives also, because we don't understand जो मेरे लिए थोड़ा बहुत है वो किसी और के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा हो सकता है. Amit, I think Neetu would be sharing this, so it might be, available. I don't know if I'll be able to, yeah, share, but okay, Asha, Neetu has already replied to your question, huh? Uh, yes, Neetu, actually, they are not jokes. So we need to tell people at their face that it's not cool, we shouldn't be doing that. So yes, that's about bullying. And if anyone would have any question or any scenario that you are not able to share here, you're most welcome to ping me directly. You can message me, and you can ask through Neetu also, or any other admin for that matter, and I would be happy to help. I have been through this all my life, and I have seen my boys going through this. So this is one incident, or uh, uh, one topic which you can say very close to my heart, and I would feel very happy to be able to help anyone if I'm able to. I didn't get you, Neetu. I suggest even virtually they should take what. Hi, Namrata. So, guys, while we can wait for some more questions, if at all, if there is anyone with any question, I would love to, thank in advance to all of you all who have joined. And like I mentioned, if anyone has any query, any questions, any incident that you would want to share, feel free to connect directly. If you're not able to share here for any reason, and those who would be watching this later, if you have any queries, feel free to connect. I would be happy to help. Yes, Neetu. Actually, the more we talk about any problem, any stigma for that matter, any issues, especially social issues, the more we discuss about it, the more we are able to handle it better because we are able to understand the different perspectives. So yes, definitely. So I guess we have covered pretty much on the topic, and we know that just to sum up the entire discussion, uh, bullying is all about power play. uh, it's a real or perceived imbalance in power where it comes and takes its play, and bullies and bullied are both from us. So uh, किसी के सर पे, किसी के फेस पे लिखा नहीं होता है कि मैं बुली हूँ या बुलीड हूँ. It's pretty much among us, and actually both need help. If we ignore the bully, we are ignoring half of the universe here, because bullies actually need help more than the bully, क्योंकि a part of those who are being bullied can handle this, but those who are bullying, bullies are not they do not understand where they are going wrong, and they are often themselves, sometimes ऐसा होता है कि they are they are facing some problem, some bullying at their end as well. कहीं ऐसा होता है कि फैमिली में दे आर सीइंग लॉट ऑफ एग्रेशन which they kind of imbibe in their personality, and that's how they become violent with their friends and those who are a little weaker personality in front of them, or they perceive people as. And bullying can be by someone who's himself or herself insecure, and would want to feel secure and confident, and would want to bully others. So bullies can be people who need more help, and we need to understand them, we need to give them the right perspective. And bullying, like we discussed, can be physical, can be verbal, can be social, where we sometimes we spread rumors, we socially ostracize or isolate someone. So that is also social bullying, which is highly impactful for someone's psyche. And bullying can be cyberbullying as well. We all know now about the Snapchat incidents or the locker room incidents. These are all about cyberbullying, and the trollings that are happening on, let's say, Twitter or Insta. We all know about it. So yes, cyberbullying is a newly grown up menace. So yes, and bullying can happen at school, college. Bullying can happen at home, in a kitty party, in office place, anywhere, and for any age group. So yes, and the way to prevent and fight it is to be confident about yourself if you're being bullied, and not to let go of your self-esteem and confidence, and not to give in, stand tall. And if you are not able to handle, then definitely look for help at any age. It doesn't matter if you're a child or an adult. If you're an adult and you feel that नहीं मैं adult हुआ, मैं bullying नहीं handle कर पा रहा, पता नहीं क्या है, no, that's not the case. You need help at you might need help at any age for that matter, and we should be open to that. So yes, that's all about bullying. And thank you, Neetu, thanks a lot for giving me this opportunity to talk on this burning issue, and something which is very close to my heart, and would love to hear more from others when they watch this video. And would love to help if someone would need to, so one can reach out. And much love to everyone. So can we finish this one, Neetu? Stay Stay strong, everyone. Thanks, Neha. Thanks for joining the live. I believe we can finish this one, Neetu. If anyone has any query, can post in the comments and or can reach out through the admins or directly to me. I'm not able to see any comments. Hi Gunjan, we're about to finish this live, but good to see you here. I mean, I can't see you, but you can see me, and I'm happy that you're here. I don't know if I'm not able to see messages or what. Okay, Neetu, so yeah, I guess that's a signal for finishing this. Thanks, everyone. Yeah, thanks. Yeah, thanks a lot. Much love to everyone. Stay strong, and yeah, happy Diwali in advance. And enjoy your Halloween with your kids. Bye bye.